Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record a presentation in Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply search for the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. After that you have to simply go to the browser and simply type in www.canva.com, and then it will simply take you to the login page there. And once you're in the login page, you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, you have to simply open up the project that you would like to record. So for example, I'd like to record this presentation, and once you open this presentation, you have to simply click on share from the top navigation bar, and then here you have to click on the see all from there, and here you have to choose the present and record from here, and here it will take a couple of seconds. Then here you have to click on the go to recording studio, and it will simply take you to the recording studio. Here you have to allow all the things that you need and also the microphone. Then here you have to click on the start recording. After that it will simply record it. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.